Hi everyone! Today I will walk you through how to use the background remover to replace chroma keying. A chroma key involves filming or photographing actors and objects in front of a flat screen of a single color. This color is usually blue or green, which is why you often hear the term blue screen or green screen. This makes it easy to edit photos and replace backgrounds with whatever you like. Let's begin on our artboard, and I'm going to use this My Assets icon to upload an asset directly from my device. Now we see this was taken in front of a green screen. I'm going to select this element, and then I'm going to use this icon to remove the background. Amazing! Now we can adjust our artboard using our editing tools for the perfect design. And there you go! In a second, you can remove the chroma keying to create a stunning design. Check out our other videos to see how Simplified's design tools can help you and your brand every step of the way. See you there.